Gathering the necessary tools. It's important to gather all the necessary tools before cleaning a keyboard. This ensures we have everything we need to clean the keyboard effectively. Things like cleaning supplies from around the office, including a microfiber cloth, compressed air canister, cotton swabs, isopropyl alcohol, and a small brush would work effectively. Cleaning the keyboard. Removing loose debris. Turn off the computer and unplug the keyboard. Before we start cleaning, it's essential to remove any loose debris that might be trapped between the keys. Tapping the keyboard gently helps dislodge them. Scene 2, using compressed air. Use a compressed air canister to blow away any remaining debris from between the keys. Compressed air is an excellent tool for removing stubborn debris that the tapping might have missed. Ensure you follow the instructions on the canister and hold it upright while using it. Scene 3, cleaning the keys. Dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe each key, ensuring not to saturate them. Isopropyl alcohol is effective in removing oil, grime, and germs from the keys. Make sure you dampen the cotton swab, rather than soaking it, to prevent liquid from seeping into the keyboard. Cleaning the keyboard frame. Use a small brush, dipped in isopropyl alcohol, to clean the keyboard frame and other hard-to-reach areas. Don't forget to clean the keyboard frame and areas around the keys. A small brush is perfect for reaching those tight spaces and corners. Wiping down the keyboard. Use a microfiber cloth lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the entire keyboard, ensuring a thorough cleaning. A microfiber cloth is great for wiping down the entire keyboard surface. It helps remove fingerprints, smudges, and disinfects the keyboard effectively. Final touches. Drying the keyboard. Leave keyboard to air dry for a few minutes. It's important to let the keyboard air dry completely before plugging it back in or turning on the computer. This prevents any moisture from causing damage. Reassembling and testing. Reconnect the keyboard to the computer, ensuring it's properly plugged in. Turn on the computer and test the keys to ensure they're working correctly. Once the keyboard is dry, carefully reconnect it to the computer. Test each key to ensure they're functioning correctly before continuing to use the keyboard. And there you have it. A clean and hygienic keyboard ready for use. Thanks for watching.